Did you know a man can spend 10 years building a weapon he never gets to use? He trained every morning before the sun rose. Cold floors, bleeding knuckles. Every drill, every movement, every hour of study pointed at one name. He had memorized that rival's footwork, his timing, the slight drop of his left shoulder before a strike. He had built himself around that man like a wall built around a single door. Then one quiet afternoon, someone mentioned it casually. The rival had retired. Years ago, no final fight, no announcement. He simply walked away and started a small life somewhere ordinary. The fighter stood in the training hall alone and looked down at his hands. He watched them move through a familiar form, and for the first time, he saw it clearly. Every motion was borrowed, not from a teacher he admired, from a man he hated. He had spent a decade becoming a shadow of his enemy. When you let hatred choose your direction, you do not build yourself. You build a monument to someone else. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.